Hey everyone, Luke here with the Joint Replacement Therapist. For today's video, I wanted to answer a follower's question, and the question was, what is the different noises and clicking sounds that I hear around my new knee replacement, and is it something I should be concerned about? And the short answer is, in most instances, no. So what the clicking sounds and different noises can come from is a variety of sources. Some of it might be the new prosthetic, so the metal or the plastic components of the new replacement. It could be the tendons and the ligaments surrounding the joint, either the knee or the hip. They're adjusting to the different length and different fit of the new prosthetic, and so they're stretching out a little bit and moving. There could be some fluid or swelling in the joint that might be causing a little bit of that noise as well. So in most instances, if it's not accompanied by pain or increased swelling, there shouldn't be any issue or shouldn't be anything to be concerned about. If you do have the noises and the clicking and it's accompanied by an increase in pain or an increase in swelling or just doesn't seem right, then absolutely check it out with the surgeon, check it out with your physician, as it might be a sign of something more serious going on that you need to get checked out. But in most instances, just having the noise and the clicking isn't really a big issue and is perfectly normal. Alright, hope that answers the question. Please send any questions our way. We're more than happy to answer them either directly or through a video. So please, if you have any questions regarding preparing for joint replacement surgery or going through the joint replacement and rehab process, please send them our way. Have a great day, everyone.